So this is a room tour of room 2506, which is a penthouse at Plaza, Las Vegas. This is in the South Tower, obviously on the 25th floor. Now you need your card in the South Tower elevator to get up to this floor, and there's only 6 of these penthouses. If you remember last time I stayed here, we were in this crazy 3-bedroomed suite with Suzanne, which was ridiculous. This is still big, but much more manageable for one person. And I've never stayed in one of these before, so you've got a nice settee there, big telly, seating area over there, and your hanging space and safe and everything are in here. And then a bar. And then your bed's over here as well. Literally just checked in after a 10-hour flight. Went pretty well. Everything on time. It's about 6 p.m. now. You got the normal sort of Plaza, old school canvases and everything dotted around the room. And you're looking down to the strip from this room. Just about see the sphere there. Well, you probably can't see it in this, but I can just about see it lit up to the left of the Strat. Nice view. Windows slightly dirty, but not too bad. And then the bathroom in here. Toilets in there. Nice sink area. And then you have a tub here with shower and a separate shower here as well. So yeah, very nice. I'm pleased with this. Very, very excited to get down in the casino and start playing. It kind of feels like I've only just been here. I mean, it's been 3 months since I was in Vegas last, but it actually feels like I've only been home a few weeks. But anyway, I think that's older age. The time just zips by. But anyway, delighted to be back. Obviously, this is a Vegas and Tahoe double header. So you'll see a room as well from Harrah's in Lake Tahoe. Lots of gambling. I will see you in the regular vlog. Take care.